Hello everyone, today I'm going to make nachos. Just make sure for the full recipe, check the description box below this video. So this is what I need for this recipe. I have some ground beef here, sour cream, couple of tomatoes, a jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna use this refried beans. Also the queso cheese. Some shredded Mexican cheese. If you don't have this, just use mozzarella cheese with some cheddar and mix it. I have a bag of tortilla chips. And the spices I'm going to use: some chili powder, some garlic and onion. I have some black pepper here, some cumin, and some coriander. If you find it in the store, you can also use the taco mix, whatever you like. So what I'm gonna go ahead now and spice up this heat, chop the tomatoes and the jalapeno, and then we'll put it together. Okay, I'm gonna start with the cumin. Cumin in. Coriander. Black pepper. The garlic and onion. And the chili powder. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this meat with all the spices. And then it's gonna go in a pan to cook. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop these tomatoes and the jalapeno pepper. And just put it on a small bowl here, because this is what we're gonna use later on when we top the nachos. So the meat is now in a pan. I don't put oil because this is gonna let a lot of grease come out. You just wanna mix it. And I have this. It's very good to use for ground meat. Make sure that you break it into pieces. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more chili powder. the taste and color. And also some more garlic and onion spice that I have. Just mix a little more. And I want to add a little bit of water. The meat is all done. So what I like to do, get this the refried bean and put it all in there. Okay, so now it looks like it's all cooked. So I'm gonna remove it from the stove and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so now I put the ground beef with the beans in a small bowl and I'm gonna show you what we do next. Grab this tray here. Open the tortilla bag. I'm going to put the tortilla chips. All over this tray. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and you start with the meat mixture, the beans. the nacho cheese. Kind of let it grip. Okay. I'm putting the jalapeno peppers. Tomatoes on top. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I preheated the oven at 375. This is gonna go in for like 20-25 minutes until the cheese is all melted. Okay, so I just took the nachos out. They baked for about 20 minutes. So what I like to do, just grab some sour cream and just put a little sour cream all over. They're ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed these nachos and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for a new recipe. Bye bye!